Now, if you feel like it's too long or it's like in your inner corner too much, you can take your finger or your tweezers and you can kind of pull just a little bit. Drag it down and voila, you have your lash. Woo! Hey guys, welcome back to Palette Therapy. If this is your first time stopping by, my name is Keela. Hey, if not, thank you for the support. In today's video, I will be showing you guys how I apply my lashes using two different methods, as well as doing a review on the Shein lashes that I purchased a few weeks ago. If you hadn't caught my Shein review, go ahead and watch that after you watch this video. If you hadn't subscribed to the channel already, go ahead and subscribe. I post videos every Thursday and Sunday and you don't want to miss them. I post wig reviews, wig installs, vlogs, hauls. I post a little bit of it all, so I promise you don't want to miss anything. Now let's get into this video. Okay y'all, so in today's video I will be reviewing these lashes that I got from Shein. If you hadn't checked out my Shein haul, go ahead and check that out as well. This is what the lashes look like. And I will be showing you guys how I apply lashes. I'll be showing you guys two methods. I know I'm holding up 4, but technically 2 and 2. I'll be showing you guys the way to do it with tweezers and the way to do it with your finger, as well as using a lash glue liner pen from Kiss. And you guys always see me use my, if I can find it, my super strong hold eyelash adhesive from iEnvy. So let's get into it. First, I want to show you what these lashes look like up close. This is what they look like. They are very wispy. I like wispy lashes. Now, the lash band is a little thick. You guys know I love the Kiss lash extension series that they have going on, or collection that they have going on, and they have the Royal Silk that is my absolute favorite, and that band is very, very thin, so I compare all lash bands to that. So the lash band is a little thick, but I don't think it's anything to worry about. The lashes are affordable. Again, it's full, it's not shedding. It does have the short to long going on. So of course, you guys, when you are applying your lashes, you want to put the shortest length in the inner corner, and you want the wispiness or the longer length to go outwards. So first we are going to, because this is a beginner friendly video, I'm just going to use the lash glue liner first. This is how I get my lashes to stay on for days. Like, I record and I keep my lashes on almost all week long until I record again. So this is how I get my lashes to stay on. So I'm giving you guys some nuggets in this video as well. But I am going to apply this lash glue liner first, and then I'm going to apply my super hold glue on top of it. So the lash glue liner is very beginner friendly if you hadn't learned how to be steady with using any other type of liners. You just take this on and you're gonna write it like a pen, like liquid eyeliner in the pen. And this is by Kiss, if I hadn't said that already.
It's the end of the weekend, but I still wanna turn up. Yeah, I still wanna turn up. All I want is to go again, but you ain't picking your phone up. Why you messing my head up? Any night, any day, let me take you away. All I need is just say.
Okay, so I like to put my liners on first, and I like to let them sit for about 10-15 seconds to kind of get a little tacky, because the tackier they are, the easier it is for your eyelashes to stick. Some people like to put the glue on the lashes first. I don't like to do that. I tried learning that method and it just didn't work for me. So this is just what works for me. And I hope it works for you guys too. But I like to put that on first. Now, if you want your lashes to last like longer than a few days to a week, you can put eyelash glue on your lash or on your eyelid, as well as on your lash, and stick them, and I'm telling you, they're not going nowhere. Not going anywhere. So now that has dried up some, I am going to take my tweezers, and these is just some cheap tweezers from the hair store, I believe. I'm gonna pinch the middle of this eyelash like this, like so, and you want to go in with your lash kind of turned down so that it sits on top of your lash band, because we don't want our false or our real lashes to show. So you want it to sit on top of your lash, as well as you're going to push this middle part down. So it's gonna go like this. And you should look something like that. Then you take your tweezer once you have it positioned, and you can just maneuver it down to where the liner is.
All I need is you saying yeah, yeah, yeah. Better nights, better days, when you're here with me, babe. Cause you're all I crave, so I wonder.
Now, if you feel like it's too long, or it's like in your inner corner too much, you can take your finger or your tweezers and you can kind of pull just a little bit. Drag it down, and voila, you have your lash. Woo! So I hope that was simple enough for you guys. I like to go in with the back of the tweezers if I do the tweezer method, and just push down on the lash band and make sure it is down on my eye. Look how pretty those are. They're so pretty. And the second one, I'm just gonna do the same thing, but basically with my hand. So if you're a beginner, you're gonna start with tweezers, because you're gonna feel more comfortable with tweezers than you will with your hand. And you can kind of see tweezers better. Of course, be careful, don't poke yourself in the eye. But tweezer method starts off very simple, and then once you get used to just poking them down or sticking them down, correct terminology, then you graduate to using your hands. So with your hand, you are going to do the exact same thing, except these two fingers are going to be your tweezers now. And so you're going to pinch in the middle still, and you're going to go looking down, push down to that middle. Again, it looks the same way, and you're just going to take your finger and position it onto the lash, onto your eye, the way you want it to go on. And then boom, voila, you have your lashes on. Okay, y'all, so my final thoughts on the Kiss lashes. I love them. They are very, especially for the price, they are very wispy and pretty. I'm trying to get up close and personal so you guys can see them. They are very pretty. I like them. I definitely say they're a bang for your buck. I mean, you get like 8 pair for, you know, a little bit of nothing, a few dollars. So I think that's great. Again, I still say the lash band is a little thick even with me having them on, but it's not anything that's uncomfortable. I forgot to mention to you guys that if you have a problem with like your lashes being too long, you can always take some scissors and go in and trim them to your liking. These didn't really bother me, but as you guys know, I have big eyes, so that's probably why they didn't bother me. But yes, you can always go in and, you know, trim them down and make sure they fit your eye. If you guys are interested in this makeup look, I do have a video out on it as well, so make sure you check that out. But go and get these lashes. This is not a sponsored video. I am just bringing you guys affordable products like I always have been doing. You know, that is one of my main purposes with my channel is to bring you guys affordable products, because let's be real, we just came out of a pandemic and don't nobody got coins to go spend $150 on getting some lash extensions. These $3 lashes will do. Okay, so if you enjoyed this video, please comment down below and let me know if this was helpful. Have you heard of any of these methods? Have you tried them? Do you use them? Which method did you like better? Comment down below and let me know. Was this video beginner friendly for you guys? I really hope it was, because I really aim for that. And if it wasn't, let me know that as well. Maybe I could try to break it down a little bit more. But yeah, so that's my opinion on the video. That is how I do my lashes. I know you guys see me do my lashes in some of my makeup videos, but I don't ever slow down and talk about that part. So I wanted to make a video specifically about how I apply my lashes, and I wanted it to be a beginner friendly video, because I remember when I first started doing makeup, eyebrows and lashes were my hardest things. Like, I learned how to do my eyebrows before I learned how to do my lashes. It would be days I would just put on a full face and not have any lashes on, because I was so intimidated by doing my lashes. So tweezer method was easy for me, and it was easier for me to transition to using my fingers because I started with the tweezer method. So I hope you guys found that easy, as well as using the lash glue pen, or you know, just regular eyelash glue. I prefer to use black because it looks just like liquid liner to me, so that's just my preference. But you can use any color. They have, you know, multicolors. So yes, and also make sure you check out my video on these contacts if you hadn't caught the video on that either. I have a review on these contacts as well. Well, I believe I've rambled enough. Go out and get the lashes. Thank you for watching this video. I really do appreciate it, and I will catch you in my next one.